What's up, guys? Will Mine here with the Berry Group, broker by eXp Realty. I'm here at 1510 Tee Vee Road, right here in beautiful Elloree, South Carolina. So if you're looking for a slower pace kind of environment, this is a rural area right here in Elloree, right down the street from Santee, though, where you have beautiful Lake Marion and also some great restaurants and golf courses. But let me tell you a little bit about this 2-bedroom, 2-bath home. Cozy, charming are the words that come to my mind when I think about this property. The kitchen is open into your living room and dining room area, great for entertainment, and it is ready for its new homeowners. So if you're looking for a property just like this, come with me as I take you on a tour of this charming home. Let's go.